back to that in just a bit. But we also have to look at pharma stocks, and Vinny's been waiting by quite patiently. The export data for the pharma sector is out for the fourth quarter. What is it saying? I mean, there's so much of talk on tariffs and whether exports will continue to be robust or not, Vinny. But what are the numbers for now?
So as of now, seems a decent number specifically coming in for CDMO players. But let me take you to the key important highlights that have come in. One, for Q4 overall and Feb 25 specifically, we're seeing special drug opportunities like Revlimid, which is important for these companies. Mirabegron, that is an important drug for these companies, a generic version of that. That is supporting the pharma growth this time. Especially for Zydus Life, Revlimid sales have been something that has really led to a good growth for Zydus Life in terms of exports, whether you look for the month of Feb or even for Q4 so far in terms of FY25, they've seen a very good growth. Highest ever exports that they've seen for Zydus Life, 1,240 crores in the month of February. And this is since the inception that they started supplying Revlimid. So that's an important point. Laurus, Syngene, both of them on the CDMO side have managed to see very, very good growth coming in. For Laurus, around a 62% growth on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Syngene also around a 65% growth. And this is something that is leading the growth in the CDMO players. Laurus, mainly the growth is led by the new CDMO compound supply which they started, and this was to Pfizer of around $17 million. So that is something that is supporting the growth, and the ARV formulation that has surprisingly done well in this export data, at least what is indicated this time. So Laurus is one stock that we're seeing buzzing in trade today also and holding on to good gains even now. Generic products, that continues to be under pressure. So maybe in Q4, overall those generic sales which have been under pressure in Q3, Q2, that could be under pressure even in this quarter. So generics is something that we'll keep an eye out on. But Syngene, Laurus, clearly outperformance coming in terms of export data there. Lupin for Albuterol, which is the inhalation product, that has seen a very good growth. Cipla is 103% growth year-on-year basis. Lupin 41%. A decline is what they're seeing on the other hand. Albuterol, surely they gain market share. Overall, Lupin has seen a bit of a subduedness in terms of data points coming in. Other pharma companies who have given a good data point is Zydus, Sun Pharma, which have seen good numbers on a quarter-on-quarter as well as year-on-year basis. While Aurobindo Pharma has seen a bit of a decline sequentially. Ipca also seeing a bit of a decline, as well as Unichem seeing some bit of a subduedness, and DV's also not much of an exciting set of numbers in terms of exports there.
Okay, all right, got that. Vinny, thank you very much for that. We have to take a very quick break. As we take that break, here's some good news.